Hi, this is Michael AF6FB, and I'm going to do a quick introduction to the updated Papa Help Desk system. So you access this by clicking on Ask Papa, and it will bring you over to here. Now, for this user, they've already written a ticket. So you can see that it's listed down here, and you can click on this ticket, and it will show you the updates. This was the original message down here, and this was the response that I posted. And then you could attach additional comments here if you want to. So you can do that, and we will get that. So to create a new ticket, we'll go back to here. To create a new ticket, you are going to just click on New Ticket, and you'll put in a subject and a description. Let's just do that real quick. D11 does not receive the OTI, the star repeater is not receiving signals. The analog repeater is fine. Yay. You can attach a file here if you would like to. Select a category. Here we'll say repeaters. This tick is just to say that our support agents are going to see your name and email address and whatnot. This is just basic terms and conditions for the site. And you'll click Submit. All right, so this just gives you an idea. Remember, all of our tickets are handled by volunteers, and they may not be ready immediately on at the moment you submit your ticket. But we will get back to you. Sometimes membership-related questions can take a little longer, as the person that handles that can only check once or twice a week. So, and this is a link back to your ticket. It's the same as if you were on the ticket list and you just clicked on it here. Now, I want to show something else here. When you're logged out, eventually, and you go to Ask Papa, it'll say that you need to be signed in order to submit a ticket. And down here at the bottom, it gives you the ability to create a new ticket as a guest. So if you're not a member yet and you want to submit a ticket, this is the way you do it. You click on here, and the only difference from the other form is that you have to put in your name and email address, and then everything else is the same. And you will get a link in that email that'll let you go back and look at it, but you'll probably get your response through email. And so you'll be able to get your answers even if you're not a member. All right, that's all I had to share. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk more soon.